Hi guys, this is day number 19 of the high ticket affiliate offer program where I'm teaching you step by step how to go from zero to $1 million a year using affiliate marketing. All right, so I hope that you're enjoying the video so far. We've gone through phase one. Tomorrow we're going to start phase two, so I hope that you're excited. We've gone through in the last 20 days some exciting information and this training so far. So this is step by step what I would be doing to build my business, what I am doing to build my business, and what you should be doing to build a sustainable online affiliate business. This is something that I've learned over years and years of experience and helping other marketers online do the same thing, such as Anthony Morrison, Larry Loic, Larry Goins, and Casey Zeman at Easy Webinar. All right, so that being said, I hope that you take this serious and that you are doing this program step by step. And so this is day number 19. If you haven't already signed up, I've got to repeat this every single video, but you need to go to these links here, gianroberts.com/sign up. Sign up for the program, get your $200 commissions, and if you can afford it, sign up for the traffic plan, which will allow you to get up to $500 commissions. So if you do that, go to gianroberts.com, sign up. That's the minimum that you need to sign up for to do this program. We're building a brand around you, so you need to sign up for your mini course as well, gianroberts.com/free access. This will give you advanced training on how to set up your brand online, how to do social media outreach, the tools and strategies that I use to do this, and you need to go there and get access to this because we're going to be using this after day 20, which is tomorrow. So you need to get access to that today. And also, you should be using this daily email program for $1 a day. If you can afford multiple accounts, do that. This will give you 3,000 emails a month to send emails out and start making sales on this affiliate program. All right, go gianroberts.com/free leads for that. That being said, we're following this daily program in phase one. You're sending out daily emails to your accounts. You're creating 5 short videos, about 30 seconds long, and we're going to upload those to TikTok, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. This should take you about an hour a day. So doing that, and then once a week, we're going to create a longer form video using Video IQ to come up with the idea. We're going to create a video around this topic. It's going to be 5 to 10 minutes long, using the same techniques and strategies that we talked about in creating the shorts. All right, so make sure you got your what do you call that? Your important thing at the beginning, your frame, and then your call to action somewhere in the video. So again, if you want to create a system like I'm showing you here, create free training, the idea is that we're creating an ecosystem similar to this, where we're creating free traffic from social media, and we're driving them into our ecosystem and building that relationship with them, and then offer them many different options to purchase products with our links, and a whole time they're staying within our ecosystem. So we're building relationships with people as they come through our system. This will give us a long-term business model instead of this short-term model that's broken, which is called direct linking. We're not doing that in this system. We're creating an ecosystem. So for more training on this, go to gianroberts.com/free access to get advanced training of what I'm going to show you here. After day 20, we're going to go into phase 2, and phase 2 is where we start our blog. So phase 1 is here. It's all video marketing, short form and long form video marketing to drive traffic from YouTube into our program. And then This phase 2 is we're creating a blog to create content based on the best of and how to content using keyword research and doing link building using outreach programs and guest posting. And if you do this on a consistent basis, you'll generate income between $10,000 and $300,000 a month in the next 18 um, or so months if you follow the training step by step as I show you here. Now, the reason why we want to create a blog and system around our personal brand is it allows us to pivot to different offers or to offer different offers to the same audience. And it drives free traffic in forever using Google and YouTube. And a blog allows us to update our content so that we can keep our rankings in Google. And YouTube is the same thing. We're updating our content on YouTube consistently, giving us exponential growth over the long term, building a bigger and bigger audience as we go. So that being said, that is day number 19. If you have questions or get stuck, don't stay stuck. Reach out to me at gianroberts.com/call. Set up a time to talk to me on the phone, and I'll be glad to help you through different processes, different ideas on how to grow your business here on the internet. So if you made it this far, congratulations. Day 20 is going to start tomorrow. We're going to go through how to set up your blog tomorrow. So look forward to that video. Subscribe to this channel, like this video. Let's build this together, our phone call. So give me a call. Talk to you soon.